What can you use a ham transceiver for? You can use it as an improvised scanner. Like this one receives 136 to 174, 400 to 470. If you need to receive something in the 220 band, you buy a TriBand or something with 220 capability. Some of the other ones may cover from 380 to 400, 407, up to 470, 520 to 420 to 520, something like that. Just get the one that you want. You don't need to go out and buy an expensive, fancy $300 scanner or $200 handheld scanner. One of these radios, if you buy a TYT, you go to TYT888.com, download the CPS software, computer programming software. You're going to need a cable, so make sure you buy one that comes with a cable for your type of computer. A Windows 10 computer uses a different cable than a Windows 7. So you get the cable, get the software, program the radio in. As you can see here, I have a bunch of ham and non-ham things. In the software, it's going to ask you to program in an input frequency and a receive frequency and a tone. If you're just scanning, don't worry yourself about the PL tones. You don't need those. Just program in the receive frequency in the alphanumeric section where it says name, program the name in and write it to the radio. And then, like this one, I have to go into the menu, hit F in the menu. First one I have set at is scan, and I hit the green button, F, and it goes into scan mode. You know, if you're not listening to anything digital, it's not trunked. Like here in Vermont, everything's still UHF, VHF, as I said before. It works great. So, hey, save yourself some money. Take a cheap little amateur transceiver and make a handheld scanner out of it. Save yourself some bucks. On this radio, which is a TYT TH-350, it's a TriBand. I have it set so the blue button, not sure if you can see that, press the blue button, start scanning, you get the SC on the screen, press it, it goes off, press it, start scanning. Let me show you another one that has a button where you can press instead of having to go into the menu system. So here on the Baofeng UV-9S, it's also a TriBand radio, like that TYT TH-350 we just seen before that had a blue button on the side to scan. This one, say we want to go to VFO-B, the bottom one. We want to scan. We're just going to hit the scan button. You see that right there by the asterisk symbol? Maybe I gotta hold it. There we go. See? Just hold it for a second and start scanning. So different radios have different methods of scanning. Do your research. Get the one you want. The one with the frequency limits you want, like I said before. I'll show you a little video where I had this thing with me today. Out walking my kitty cat, Leo. And we heard some activity. A car locally hit a telephone pole, snapped the telephone pole. Supposedly telephone pole was down. Not sure if it's across the road or not. Couldn't see that much in the video. But anyways, it worked quite well. We listened to ambulance traffic, we listened to police traffic, and we also were able to pick up the fire. I may not got all of that on video, but enough to ascertain from listening through the frequencies I did have programmed what was happening, what the person's name was, and that he's okay. Yes, he's got a major cut and pain and probably a broken arm and maybe a cracked rib, but the guy's lucky to be alive.
1 Power OSC, negative 99, negative NCIC. Yeah, 4, operator. 1, Green Bomb Poe gets here, I'll give you the vehicle. No.
And they're also looking for a Ford Red F-150 off of Hickory, Juneberry. They think it lives down there. That swerved across the road that made this guy go into the telephone pole.
1997, 0821.
Well, I think I'm adding to the chaos. I'm pulled over in somebody's driveway, Part Road. I think we'll conclude the video here. Please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification for future videos. Use our Amazon link for any and all purchases there. Our Bridgecomm affiliate link for any and all amateur purchases there. And if you want to support this channel, help us create more new great videos and more new products. Patreon.com/simplyhamradio 73. Everyone be safe.